Welcome to DNXT. We are discussing Class B subnetting, and in Class B subnetting, we are talking about slash 27 in this video. So slash 27 means there are total 27 network bits. Out of 32, 27 are given to the network. So remaining 5 are the host bits. So only 5 host bits we have in this scenario. So or out of this 27, 16 are of the major because slash 16 is the default CIDR value of our class B. Remaining 11 bits are the subnet bits. So let's calculate the subnet mask. It will be 255.255.224. Why? Because 3 bits are on over here, and for that we will calculate the value of subnet bit as 128 plus 64 plus 32. So that will come out as 224. Let's calculate our subnetworks. 2 to the power x, where x are the subnet bits. So 2 to the power subnet bits we have 8 plus 9, 10, 11. 11 subnet bits we have in this scenario. So 2 to the power 11 is 2048. 2048 sub networks we are going to get in this is slash 27 of class B. How many hosts per sub network? Which is 2 to the power y minus 2, where y are the host bits. We have only 5 host bits over here. So 2 to the power 5 minus 2. 2 to the power 5 is 32. So 32 minus 2, actually only 30 hosts we can accommodate in each subnetwork over here. What are the valid subnets? There will be an increment of 1 over here, and in fourth octet 256 minus 224. So the increment of 32 will be there in this. So first there will be an increment of 32 in the fourth octet, and then there will be an increment of 1 in the third octet. We always do increment in the fourth octet first, followed by the increment in the preceding octet. Okay, so let's write down few of the subnetworks over here. 172.16.0.0 increment in the fourth octet first. So 172.16.0.32 increment is of 32. Okay. So 0.32, 172.16.0.64, then 172.16.0.64 plus 32 is 96. 96 0.96, then 172.16.0.96 plus 32 is, let's do it, 96 plus 32, 128. So 0.128, then 172.16.0 dot, फिर से 32, that will come out as 160. Okay. Then 172.16.0.32 ऐड करेंगे फिर से तो 192. The next subnetwork will be 172.16.0.192 plus 32. That will be 224. So 224. Then फिर से if you add 32 over here, you will get 256, which is not a valid IP address. So 224 के बाद you cannot do increment in the fourth octet. In that case, there will be an increment in the third octet and fourth octet will become 0. Now again you will start 1.32, 1.64, 1.96, 1.128, 1.160, 1.192, 1.224, and then 2.0. In this way you will get 2048 subnetworks. Let's write down 2048 subnetwork means our last subnetwork. That will be 172.16.255.224, and the broadcast ID for this subnetwork will be 172.16.255.255. This is quite easy. Let's write down broadcast ID of few of this: 172.16.0.31, 172.16.0.63, 172.16.0.95, 172.16.0.127, 0.159, 0.191, 0.223, 0.255, and यहाँ पे फिर से 1.31. In this way, you can write broadcast ID. What will be the first valid host over here? 172.16.0.1 is the first valid host. Broadcast ID is 172.16.0.31. So the last valid host will be 172.16.0.30. So 1 से लेके 30 तक you have valid host. You are getting 30 valid host in each sub network. Okay, so this is all about slash 27 of class B. We'll be discussing slash 28 in the next video. Stay tuned with DNXT. Thank you.